Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to upload a short video on YouTube. So today in this video I will show you the right way to how you can upload short video on YouTube. Before starting the video, I recommended you just go to the Play Store and update your YouTube application here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube application. Then go to your YouTube channel by clicking on your channel logo at the bottom right corner. After that, click on View Channel. Then click on Add icon from here. And now, here many of us upload short video by going to the short option. But we have to remember that we will never upload short videos from here. If you want to upload short videos from YouTube, then click on Video option. After that, here you select a short video which you want to upload. Here you keep in mind that the length of a YouTube short can be up to 60 seconds. And the short video must be in vertical orientation with a 9:16 aspect ratio. So here I will select this video. Then click on Next button at the bottom right corner. After that, again click on Next. Then if you want to add a custom thumbnail image for your short video, then click on the pencil icon from here. And now you will able to see some frames in your video. Here you just select and pick a frame in your video to add custom thumbnail for your short. After that, click on Done. Then here you type the title of your video. After entering your title, then add a hashtag from here, which is shorts. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, in video visibility section, here you select Unlisted. And here you can add a video which is related to your short video. If you want to add a video related to your short video, then click on the related video option. After that, select the video from here which you want to add. Then click on Upload Short at the bottom. Now you can see that my short video is uploading. And now you can see that my short video has been uploaded. Now we need to go to Google Chrome and open your YouTube channel in desktop version from here. When the channel is open, then go to the content of your channel. After that, click on Short option from here. Now you can see your all short video from here. Here you can just click on the short video which you have uploaded now. After that, here you can add a suggested hashtag to the title of this video from here. Then here you can add a description for this video. Now in the playlist section, here you can add this video to the playlist of your channel. After that, just scroll down and here you click on Show More. Then just scroll down and in tag section, here you can add tags for this video. After that, go to the top of the page and in visibility section, here you select Public. Then click on Done. After that, click on save. Now your short video has been available for public. So by this process you can upload and post short video on YouTube easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.